Hey you guys, so it's me again, Mazai. So today I have special food, like is this Tagalog? So I'm going to make my own sauce because my ulam for today is kaled. This is the lechon iskada kawali. Hindi siya crispy. Lambok. So, I'm going to make my sauce. I like it with onion. Before, hindi ako nagaganito. But, now, I'm loving it. Okay, I just peel off this skin of the onion. So, this is our ulam for today. And I have calamansi and chili. Girl. This is gonna be so fun. Wow. Laro. And you know what? If you didn't know, nag-culinary school ako. Wow, feeling. Alam ko ng cooking. Ano pa kayo? I like it so clean para ito masyadong ma-feel. Actually, meron pa dito. Okay, so look at that. Itadake maiskale. I'm going to transfer here. Perfection. We're going to the chili, and we're going to put 2 calamansi on it. And I'll put soy sauce. Whatever. Wow, this is Tagalog. I'm back. So here, I got here soy sauce. Pepper, pamintuan, then ng clean. Charot. Sabihin ko na promote ko. And a little bit of my favorite ketchup. So it's gonna be just a little bit of something. If I like it to taste like barbecue. Actually, may sour, sweet atake na ito. And I think I should put a little bit of water kasi then let's give it a good mix and trying to testimony. Hindi masarap. Hindi, parang kulang siya ng Wasn't Jollibee? Real. Why it tastes like that? Well, not bad, but thank you. But it's really sour. Think sugar. That's it. Sugar. And a little bit more. This is gonna be so fun. And I'm going to tiris these chilies. like it spicy. Dati hindi ako nagsisili guys. Hindi ako nag-onion, everything. I just like it toyo manchi before. Back then when I was like so young. But then I realized it's much more better if I try these things. Actually, I'm watching ano pala, Netflix. Good. Not so good. Charot. Okay, let's try it. So this is gonna be our itadakima skillet. Try it out. Cargo. So good. Ayun, nasira yung brace ko. Ay, nakaka. Nasira yung brace ko.